At MDOT, our mission is to serve the public. The taxpayers of Mississippi buy and pay for our services. We need that instant access to data to help us meet the challenges on budget, on time, and always with the ultimate goal of moving people and saving lives along the way. Good, reliable data source, good, reliable data dissemination is what this whole effort is all about.
What we've lacked in the past is the capability to really look at cause and effect with why accidents are happening, why fatalities are happening. And with the concept of doing business intelligence and the platform of SharePoint 2010, we were able to, just in a matter of days, really a matter of a morning, be able to do the type of analysis on our fatality data that really illuminated some encouraging trends. Microsoft SharePoint 2010 is going to help us save lives. It's a transformational opportunity for government. It's going to allow the workforce to develop key performance indicators and management to develop key performance indicators that we can be measured by. It's giving us the capability to communicate that very effectively in a way that resonates with politicians, with the media, with the traveling public. One of the things we're trying to accomplish for sure is to give self-service access, but any IT professional knows that that has to be managed. You have to consider security. You have to consider the role a certain employee is in to tailor their access. SharePoint just fits that template for us.
Here at MDOT, what FAST is going to allow us to do is we're going to be able to search our content, intelligently categorize or refine that data so that the user search experience is very rich and very full to find the information that they're looking for very quickly. One of the great things about FAST is it actually reduces the burden on IT because you're able to find information easily using the terminology that you're used to, and it doesn't force us to manage the metadata.
A couple of years ago, it would take a long time to find information. SharePoint, to me, the thing that's most exciting is the fact that it is so fast. I can go out there, and not only me, but actually the staff members, they can actually go out there themselves, and it's like a one-stop shop for all things that deal with the Transportation Commission.
SharePoint 2010, the ultimate value that that's going to bring to the organization is collaboration, working more closely together, maintaining a central aspect to storing documents and providing access to those documents. One of the cool features of SharePoint 2010 is the implementation of MySites. We're in tune with this type of social interaction that is what our users are used to using outside of the workspace. So we're very excited about that. We expect heavy adoption of that.
We have PhDs in engineering, and then we have office clerks in the rural part of the state. We have a very wide mix of user skills, of expectations, of technical proficiencies. They're familiar with Excel, they're familiar with Office. Just delivering a Web 2.0 environment, basically, with Microsoft tools that are already in place was the right way to go.
When I made the decision to install 2010, there were some here that thought that I was crazy. Now I look like a genius, and it's all because of SharePoint 2010.
This business has to be able to react on a moment's notice in emergencies, has to be a reliable way to move freight and cargo. The people that we have to satisfy that mission have got to be the best, and the only way they can be the best is to have the best equipment and the best technology. That's why we use Microsoft.